So the concept of the interchange is to say, I know part number A, and I'd like to know from a different vendor what their part number is for that, their equivalent or their replacement for it. So for example, I know that I've got a water pump, the part number is 8901-8123. And right now I've got AutoZone as my selected supplier. If I said, well, tell me what AutoZone's part number is. But so it tells me that their replacements for that would either be the 6494S or the 6494N. What about, I don't know, Advanced Auto Parts? What is their replacement for it? So if I went ahead and I switched from Advanced, it's going to do the query again, and it will tell me if Advanced has a equivalent part number as a replacement for it. So we'll do 8901, 8123, and then now do my lookup, and then now it's going to tell me exactly what Advanced has. If I wanted to add any of these onto a transaction, I could go ahead and I could just check the box and then hit transfer. It'll add it into my posted parts and labor tab. So the purpose here really is going out and trying to find, I've got part number A and I need to know the equivalent from a vendor as to what would be their part number B. So that's what Interchange brings to the table.